Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora play for June 2018. And if you want to see what's inside this hot old bag, then keep on watching. We're actually going to take the time to read the playbook because last month I really didn't reference that playbook at all. And I come to realize, like in that video, I sound so stupid and ignorant because I'm like, oh, this is a repeat product. Oh, this is a repeat product. Yeah, dumbass, was supposed to be. This month is called Welcome to the Beauty Boardwalk. And this is going to have products that are going to help kind of make our look last beyond sundown and enjoy the most of our summer. Correlation of a lot of the other beauty products from beauty subscriptions this month is things that are going to make us enjoy the most of our summer. So this is this month's glam bag, and it has the fun, bright, neon boardwalk sign, and it says hot, hot, hot on it. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump inside. Did you hear that? Anyway, first item inside our Sephora play is from Milk Makeup, and this is the Kush mascara, which is High Volume Boom. And this is, oh, I guess it's high volume and it's in shade color Boom. I'm not really sure what the wand looks like. Milk Makeup is one, as I just got mascara all over the component. Milk Makeup is something that I have seen kind of get revolutionized in recent months. A lot of different things coming out from Milk Makeup. I know that they were notorious for their like holographic highlight way back in the day. I say way back in the day, like 2 years ago. I always love testing new mascaras. As we know, mascara is my one staple when it comes to makeup that I will never leave home without. A good mascara can really go a long way. It can completely change your everyday look. And I'm excited to test this one. 5% say they saw high volume and 95% said they saw longer lashes. And 90% saw thicker lashes and 90% saw lifted lashes. So this has already got a lot of high claims for it. And you know what? I'm always down to try new mascaras because even though I will swear true to Benefit's Roller Lash, that Buxom mascara that I tested last month was really something that kind of surprised me. And I've really been liking that one. And it's always fun to test new formulas. So yeah, that's definitely exciting for a first impressions of a product. So we have something from Alterna. Alterna? Yeah. This is a hair care product, and this is the CAVIAR Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist, and this is a spray volumizer. Can y'all not be so hostile outside? I swear I don't live in a bad neighborhood, but like, people are just cussing. I don't love a ton of volume because my hair is so thick. Volume just really makes it stand really big, like Texas Buttercup hair big, and I don't really like that style. If anything, I like something that's a little bit more sleek, something that kind of disguises the fact my hair is really full. But this is a multitasking styler to deliver instant and long-lasting root to tip volume with flexible hold and leaving hair touchably soft. So usually when I think volume, I think grit and I think like a lot of texture, so that's kind of refreshing to know that it does offer a little bit of softness with it. Ooh, it smells kind of clean. It almost smells a little like grapeseed or something. I don't know what that is, but I'm kind of excited. Again, volume isn't something I usually strive for with my hair, but I'm always down to try new hair products. And anti-aging, that will help correct some of the damage I've done to my hair, but yeah, cool. Inside our Sephora play, we have something from Clinique, and this is Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for Lids, Lashes, and Lips. And I don't think I've ever done a review or if I've ever mentioned anything about Clinique's Take the Day Off Balm. Is my favorite makeup remover ever. And so testing a liquid makeup remover, I'm excited. This is a perfect little travel size, so this maybe might be coming with me to Europe. I'm not quite sure. If it's anything similar to the Take the Day Off makeup balm, I'm sure I will already be a fan. I am really bad at using makeup removers. I'm somebody, like, if I can just like wash my face and just like get rid of all the gunk on my face with like a one clean swoop, that's fine. I don't usually take the step to like take off my makeup and then proceed to wash my face. So usually don't strive for makeup removers just because lazy girl beauty here. Next in our Sephora play, we have something from BELIF, and this is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. And I know that I have tested 2 times the whatever balm it was. I don't think it was the Aqua Bomb, but it was something from BELIF, and I ended up hating it because it was just so thick and it sat on my skin and I didn't love it. But if this is the Aqua Bomb, that's probably going to provide a little bit extra moisture, especially during summer. It's probably going to be refreshing, and it's going to be blue. So this is what it looks like. And ooh, it has a very like marine time smell. Definitely smells good, and it smells refreshing, which would be nice like after washing your face to put this on, because I'm pretty sure it's going to give a really cooling effect. Putting a little bit on the back of my hand. It smells really good. It seems to melt into the skin, which is nice, because I can't remember which one it was, and I'll link it down below because I know I tested it in one of my subscriptions, and I also redeemed it using like my Ipsy beauty points, and I hated it. But if this is something that's going to be a little bit cooling, because it does have a little bit of a cooling effect on it, I'm definitely excited. This is supposed to increase hydration levels. Maybe this will be a miracle product when it comes to moisturizing and just getting the skin prepared. I know that like, especially with tanning, my skin has been getting very dry. I know, like I said, in the past, I've tested BELIF products and I was not a fan of them, but I'm more than willing to give it a second chance, especially if it is something that's going to be refreshing and cooling during the summer months. Next, inside our Sephora play, we have a melted matte lipstick from Too Faced, and this is in the shade color Queen Bee. When the peach palette came out, I was such a huge fan of it, and I like remember wanting it, got it, played with it. It's still one of my favorite palettes to this day, but like Too Faced for me just lately hasn't been my go-to. And like, you fall in and out of love with brands. I know last year I went through an overhaul when it came to my Urban Decay obsession, where in years past I didn't love Urban Decay, and then I kind of got thrown back into loving their products or certain things from their collection. And I'm feeling that like there's going to be a revitalization with Too Faced that this upcoming summer is going to bring. Like up my alley of like colors that I would wear. I would do a live swatch for you guys, but I do have a little bit of like product on my lip and I don't want to mix the two together. But yeah, this color is really pretty. It's a very kind of almost nudish mauve. And I'll go ahead and put it right here. Ooh, girl. It has a little bit of warm nudish tones in there. And I think with my skin tone and my color now, this is going to be something really pretty this season. Definitely a fan. I've tested their melted matte lipsticks in the past. Pretty big fan of their formula. And, you know, that's exciting, especially if you find colors that you like. Because in recent months, I've been getting lipstick samples that I'm just not in love with. And I say I have so many shades of lipstick that color, but it works for me. I love the colors. I love them. Why would I complain if I get stuff that I like? Last thing inside our Sephora play is our perfume sample, and this is the Prada Candy Sugar Pop. And I guess we're gonna open the package. We're gonna open this bad boy. I definitely tested a Prada perfume recently, and I remember being a semi-fan of it, but we'll go ahead and put that there. Ooh, why is it stinging? Okay, development. Where I sprayed it on my arm's starting to sting a little bit. Weird. Okay. Ouch. Yeah, that kind of stings a little, like it itches. Are we having an allergic reaction in the middle of my YouTube video? Because that would happen to me. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not a fan of that. This reminds me of something though. I remember being a kid and there was a perfume, and I'm not going to be able to remember the name of it, and I'm not going to remember what it looked like, but I remember being a kid and like one of the very first like beauty products I played with was in this like tannish pink bottle, and it smells just like this, but it is not bringing me good vibes of nostalgia. Like, I am not a fan of this. And like, whew, not a fan of that. It reminds me of that smell. I don't like it. Please get it off of me. And yeah, not a fan. That was everything that was in my Sephora play. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new play boxes. This month there seemed to be a lot of products in there that I truthfully will enjoy using. That lipstick was a perfect color story for my particular taste. I always love testing mascaras, and I love finding new brands of mascaras and different kinds because I love cycling through. The hair product I'm a little nervous about, and the skincare product, you know, we're always down to try things and give redemptions on this channel because sometimes I test something out one time and I don't like it, and then like 6 months later I come back to it. But I think on a first impression, I'm gonna give this month's box a A-. I like that grade. But I will be sure to do a full blog review for you guys over at the blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com. 2 H's, 2 K's, and I'll be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. This is like the third video I don't know how to close out because like pea brain over here. I'm gonna go ahead and skedaddle. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.